siyang Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Gagawin ng kampo ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang lahat para agad siyang maibalik sa bansa. Pero pagdidiin ni Vice President Sara Duterte, ito ay sa pamamaraang legal lamang. Kasama dito ang paghahain ng petisyon para sa interim release ng dating Pangulo. Mula sa The Hague, Netherlands, nakatutok live si Mariz Umali. Mariz?
Mel, sabi nga ni na Vice President Sara Duterte at Lead Counsel Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, ang focus nila ngayon ay makalaya at makabalik sa bansa ang dating Pangulo na si Rodrigo Duterte sa lalong madaling panahon.
After elections or prior to the elections?
Why not? That's his country. That was where he was born. Why should he not go back? I mean, as far as I'm concerned, he's been illegally detained here and he should go back to the Philippines as soon as possible.
Yan ang komento ni Attorney Nicholas Kaufman sa sinabi ni Vice President Sara Duterte na gagawin nila ang lahat para mapauwi ang dating Pangulo sa Pilipinas. Tumatakbong mayor ng Davao City si dating Pangulong Duterte.
Gusto ko din talaga i-demand na nandun yung mayor namin, nagtatrabaho para sa syudad.
Sabi ng bise, gagawin nila ang lahat para mangyari ito.
Kung hindi kami mag-isip, mga Dabawenyo, kung paano namin madala yung mayor namin doon, wala talagang mangyayari. So, dapat we exhaust all means possible. Whether it is written in law or it is not written in law, except anything illegal. Revolution is out of the question.
Mailap sa detalye lalo sa diskarte ng defense team si Attorney Kaufman. Pero sinabi niyang bahagi ng mga plano nila ang paghain ng petition for interim release.
Interim release is par for the course at this institution. In nearly every case, an application for interim release is submitted. I'll file it when I feel it appropriate.
Binanggit kahapon ni Vice President Sara na pinag-aaralan nila ang paghiling ng legal aid mula sa ICC. Sabi ni Kaufman, di raw kailangan ng assistance o serbisyo ng ICC Office of the Public Counsel for the Defense.
There's no need for the OPCD. I think that's the unit that you're referring to. They're a very important unit at this court, but they provide logistic assistance, administrative assistance, but they don't provide substantive assistance to any team at the court, whether it be legally aided or privately funded. People love the former president, and I'm sure that they would pay out of their own pockets in order to ensure that he has the proper defense.
Mel, sabi pa ni Vice President Sara ay darating din dito sa The Hague ang kanyang inang si Elizabeth Zimmerman para dumalaw sa dating Pangulo. At inaasikaso na rin daw ng kanyang mga kapatid ang kanilang visa para makalipad din dito sa The Hague para sa 80th birthday ng kanilang ama na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa March 28. At yan muna ang pinakasariwang balita mula pa rin dito sa The Hague, Netherlands. Balik sa iyo, Mel.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mariz Umali.